So how do you know when you need to add conditioner or soda ash? Like what on your test strip?
With conditioner, it's going to be your cyanuric acid levels. Conditioner is cyanuric acid. So what that does is it stabilizes the water to where your pool can take chlorine and hold it. Versus when you put chlorine into a pool that's low on conditioner or cyanuric acid,
Yeah.
the chlorine really doesn't stay in the pool for more than a day. It gets sapped out by the sun and the ultraviolet light. So you want to make sure your conditioner levels are at least 30 parts per million. You want to keep it in the 30 to 50 parts per million range. It can be higher, but when you get above 130 parts per million, you reach what's called chlorine block. And no matter how much chlorine and shock you put in the pool won't take it because the water is, again, unstable on the high end. And your chlorine levels will just be off the charts once you add any chlorine to the pool. As far as soda ash raises your pH and also raises your alkalinity levels. So if either of those levels are low, you're going to want to add soda ash to a pool. Depending on the size of the pool, depends on how much you add.
Okay.
And we'll review that later.
What if they're low?
If they're low, you add soda ash.
Okay, I mean if they're high.
If they're high, you add muriatic acid. If you have a vinyl pool or an above ground pool, you want to use dry acid as opposed to the muriatic, which it's the same thing, it's just in a different form, and it doesn't bleach out the liner as quickly as it would if you added the muriatic acid.
Okay.